Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zainul Majdi. Strike away. I will interview Ahmad Son Haji.
Yes, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amason Haji. I come I come I come from Madura, West Java. 90 years old. 90 years old, and my purpose here is to apply for a job.
How did you hear about this position?
Because I have been in this position at work before.
Why do you want to work at this company?
Because I'm interested vision in the vision and mission of this company.
Why do you want this job?
Uh, because I want to meet my family's daily needs.
Why shall I hear you?
Because I believe that I deserve to work here.
Wait, what can you bring to the company?
Uh, I will give my best for this company.
Yeah. What are your great strengths?
One of my one of my greatest strengths is communication editing.
What do you consider to be your weakness?
I always try to improve myself, and the area I develop is presentation skills.
What do you consider to be your weakness?
One of my biggest achievements is creating programs and benefit society and developing product review social media account.
What is your greatest professional achievement?
I have faced conflict in teams due to difference of opinion and defense
Yes.
ways of
Yes.
working, and I deal with them by taking approaches such as